Long ago, in the mountains of ancient China, lived a Zen master whose wisdom was said to surpass even the most learned scholars. People traveled for days, weeks, just to hear his words. People traveled little, yet every word struck the heart like lightning. It is said he could see into the minds of those who came to him and reveal the truth they had long forgotten. Today, you will hear one of his teachings, a lesson so simple yet so powerful. It can change the way you think and the way you live forever. This is the story of emptying the mind and finding peace in the chaos of life. In a quiet village high in the mountains lived a young man named Hiroshi. His mind was never still. Thoughts raced like a storm. He longed for peace. One day, he heard of a Zen master who lived atop a distant mountain. It was said the master held the secret to inner tranquility. Hiroshi climbed the mountain, seeking peace. The master handed him a bowl and said, "Transfer all the water from this basin without spilling a drop." This master focused carefully, step by step. Hiroshi passed, the sun set, golden light on the garden. Finally, he finished. The master said, "Now, look at the basin." When Hiroshi gazed, the basin was empty. The master said, "Your mind is like this basin. When full, it cannot hold peace. Empty it, and tranquility flows freely." From that day, Hiroshi practiced letting go. He released worries, distractions, fears, and in the emptiness, he found peace. The secret is simple. Empty your mind and let peace fill the space. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.